here's what you can do even if you have hip impingement, FAI, or labral tears. Dr. Nicholas Mercer with You Improve PT. So it's a nice day outside, so I decided to come outside to stretch my splits. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I've been told by orthopedic surgeons, physician assistants, orthopedic specialists, all these healthcare professionals that doing splits, squatting below parallel, doing martial arts, that is all going to make my hips worse. And I would say if anything, it's made them better, because in order to do all those things, I've had to figure out how to make my hips feel good, and that allowed me to improve my splits, improve my squatting, improve my form, and be very mindful of my body when I'm doing martial arts so that it doesn't increase the pain in my hips and I'm doing my movements properly. And that's the key here, is moving the way your body was made to move. Now, with that all said, I'm going to kind of show you what's possible when you put in the work, you find the right exercises, the right techniques, and basically get your hips moving the way hips should. So, all those movements I just did used to irritate my hips. So, if I hadn't put the work in, done the right exercises, the right techniques, those physicians and surgeons and PAs would have been right. That would have bothered my hips, and I wouldn't have been able to do them, and I would pretty much either have to get surgery, which I kind of already did, and it made my hips worse, and was told I needed surgery again, and I decided not to do it, and it's probably one of the best decisions of my life. So the problem is finding the right healthcare practitioner and the right exercises and techniques to get you to that point where you can do whatever you want without pain. And that is why I created the Hip Impingement Solution. Now, I know for a lot of people out there, you're kind of lost, right? You are looking for that magic bullet. You're looking for the exercise, the technique that is going to make your hips better. It's going to fix them. It doesn't exist. You need something that applies to your deficits, takes all of those deficits, and provides a solution to each one. When you have hip impingement, it's basically a cocktail of a lot of different deficits happening, and if you don't know what your deficits are, you're basically going to be shooting in the dark, like I was 8 years ago. So what I've done in the Hip Impingement Solution, I have used 15 different tests, modified them so you can perform them on yourself just by using a video or mirror, provided a PDF worksheet to track where your deficits are, and I've included the exercises and techniques that are most likely to help each of those deficits. So I have taken those 15 tests that I would use for a patient that came into my office and made them available for you to do them on yourself, figure out where your deficits are. I provided a worksheet that will help you track where your deficits are, and in the same program provided the most effective exercises and techniques to help you decrease those deficits and get your hips working like hips again, right? So in a way, it's a little bit custom tailored to your specific needs. And the best part is you don't need to go 2 or 3 times a week into a physical therapist's office, because honestly, it's not going to be as effective, because a lot of PTs don't know how to treat this hip impingement, FAI, labral tears. They haven't experienced it firsthand, and it kind of makes you reliant on them, right? What you need to do, the most effective way to get your hips working like hips, is to take control of your hips, take control of your recovery, and really put in the work to get those hips better. And with guidance from this program, I'm extremely confident that over time you will get to where you want to be, managing these hips, managing this hip impingement, labral tear, FAI, without surgery. So if you would like more information on the program, or you'd like to get one, please go to youimprovept.com, send us an email, get in contact with us, even give us a call. We would love to hear your story. We would love to talk to you about what you're going through and make sure that this is right for you. So go to youimprovept.com, send us an email, call us, text us, whatever you're most comfortable with. If you're not quite ready for that, that's okay. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos on how to help manage hip impingement. Again, none of them are going to be a complete solution for you, but hopefully they will give you a little bit of relief. So send us an email, contact us, go to youimprovept.com, or just check out more YouTube videos on hip impingement from us here at You Improve PT, and get ready to improve your pain, improve your movement, and improve your life.